what's going on, guys? Total Tech here. Welcome back to another PC build part list review video. So the price point I decided to go with is $550. I did go $1.41 over, so I hope you guys do forgive me. So guys, please remember that all these parts that I chose is my personal preference. You guys can change out the parts if you want. Maybe you want to go for something different, but that's totally up to you guys. But anyways, guys, let's get right into the video. Also, guys, links to all the parts are in the description down below. Also, if you do enjoy, make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. But anyways, guys, see you in the video. So, guys, for our fans, I chose the PVIA 5-pack of 120mm fans. It has a 4-pin and 3-pin connectors. For the case, I chose the Cooler Master MCB Q300L. So guys, this did drop $10 in price. So it was $56, now it's $46. So guys, when this comes back in stock, I suggest you snag it up, because this is a good price point. So guys, for the graphics card, I went with the Radeon RX 570 8GB version. But guys, if you do want to upgrade to the 580 instead of having the 570, you can get that for like $26 more. Next, for the power supply, I decided to go with the Thermaltake Smart 500W PCU. Guys, this is still a good PCU, so I recommend you guys get it while the prices are still low. Because once Thermaltake starts to notice that, oh, our power supply is good, they're going to up the price. And for the storage, I decided to go with the Seagate Barracuda 1TB hard drive. Mainly, the reason why I didn't choose a 2TB is because of price-wise, but 1TB is still good for 1080p gaming. And for the SSD, this is only going to have your Windows 10 installation and a few programs. So I decided to go with the low amount of gigabytes, which is the 128 ADATA SU800 SSD. And for the RAM, I decided to go with the Alloy DDR4 16GB rated at 3000 MHz. And for the motherboard, I decided to go with the ASRock B450M HDV motherboard. So guys, you can run 3rd gen processors on this. So if you guys do want to upgrade from the processor I have listed, you guys can go ahead and do that. And finally, for the processor, I decided to go with the AMD Ryzen 3 3200G. So guys, this is a good processor for its price point. But for $9 more, you can get the Ryzen 3 3100, but that's not even out on Amazon yet, so if you guys want to wait a little bit longer or use this as a placeholder, you guys can. Anyways guys, that's going to wrap up for this video. Our price point did come to an end of $551.41. And I do realize that some of the stuff is out of stock, but you guys can go ahead and buy the stuff that is in stock, and then when the other stuff comes back in stock, you can go ahead and buy that. But anyways guys, if you did enjoy at any point, make sure to drop a like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Also guys, links to the parts are in the description below.